What's good, everybody? Hey, I'm just gonna do a quick video on my 2007 BMW 328i E90. Basically today I'm gonna do an upgrade. Well, I guess you can call it an upgrade, but not really an upgrade. I just put a new set of rotors and pads all the way around the car, and I decided to disassemble it again and paint the calipers red. So just want to give you guys a peek at how I'm doing it. I didn't want to pull the caliper all the way off and have to bleed the brakes and everything, so I left them in place. I got a bungee strap holding them where the caliper doesn't move or put tension on my brake line, and I got a garbage bag basically wrapped around the rotor and the axle and everything, and shock, just so I don't get overspray everywhere. And I'm painting it like that. And first I cleaned it with some degreaser and basically just a toothbrush. Yeah, and I laid everything out and basically got all the grit and dirt off of it and started spraying it with thin coats one at a time. And so far that's about the 5th coat. And over here I got the caliper bracket. It should be done drying, and I already cleaned that up and hit it with about 5 coats, and it's come out pretty good. I ain't want to spend any money on some $2,000 brake calipers or some dumb shit, so I just cleaned mine up, sanded them down, and painted them myself. And nothing wrong with the BMW calipers. They work perfectly fine. The big brake calipers and things like that, they're cool, but they're not really something I wanted to do on this car. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a peek. Thanks for looking.